Welcome back, guys, and we are going on another adventure this weekend. This week we are going south down to Uluwatu. We're going to take on a little tour, a little adventure, hopefully show you the best bits, have a little bit of a good time with the gang. So we're going to just pack up the bike now, chuck all the bags on, and then hit the road down to Uluwatu. Let's go. Alright guys, we just arrived at the villa, but we got no villa host, so we're stuck outside and these guys have an argument about candy and beer. But everyone's happy because we made it. Now hopefully we get that in and then we can head on to the next destination. Let's see inside. So we just pulled up at Bambu Fitness. We're going to jump in here for a quick little workout before we go down and chase that sunset and jump in the sea and freshen up. But first we've got to work out. This gym is absolutely amazing. If you've not been here, definitely worth checking it out. Some of my good friends opened this place up earlier this year and it is beautiful. So let's get inside and hit a workout. Boom. Boom! Alright guys, we are locked in. We got the whole place to ourselves this afternoon. We've got a quick hour. We're going to smash a little workout, then we're going to do a little bit of cardio, get the heart pumping, and then we're going to jump in this little conditioned weights room they have here as well to get a little pump ready for the beach. Let's get into the session. Yo. Alrighty, we just finished up super sweaty little workout. We went every 5 minutes, 2 minutes on the bike, 15 burpees, 15 toes bar, 15 wall balls, rest of the remaining time of the 5 minutes. A lot of fun, feeling good. We might hit a little pump in the weights room before we hit the beach. Let's go. We just jumped in for a little bodybuilding session with the Boysies in this epic pump room, flexing up. Now we're done here, so we are going to jump out and get straight to the beach, chase sunset, jump in the sea, so we'll see you down the beach in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we made it down the beach, Dreamlands beach. Stopped for a little cold one on the way, a little refreshment post-training. It's absolutely beautiful down here, so we're going to jump in the sea and spend sunset in the ocean. Let's get in there. sunset. Swim, absolutely beautiful with the Boysies. Cooling off now, and then we're gonna head, get some dinner, see where the rest of the night takes us. But yeah, look at this, take it in for a moment. Absolutely beautiful. Good morning, welcome to Sunday. It is absolutely a beautiful morning. This is the villa. I didn't get to show much of it to you yesterday, but it's a very nice little space. We've got this beautiful pool, so there's only one thing to do this morning: freshen up before we hit the beach. It's time to get in there. Down this morning, you might ask. Well, that's a great question. Let's see if we can find him. Oh, there he is! Dad, is that you? He's in jail. Alrighty folks, we are about to hit the road and gonna get a little bit of breakfast at Nourish Cafe, and then we're gonna go down to Thomas Beach and go surfing in the sunshine. So stick around, we're going to take the vlog in the water, we're going to get some party waves, we're going to have a little bit of fun. So let's get into day number 2. So we just rocked up at Thomas Beach. We're going to head down these steps and jump in the ocean. So we made it down the beach, absolutely beautiful. One of my favourite beaches in the world, and down here in Uluwatu, super nice. The gang's here, and we're gonna go out there. The waves are very, very, very small, potentially non-existent, but they ain't gonna stop us having a good time. All right, we are in the ocean. We made it out there. We've got these boards, £5 each. Sink on the face, sun cream on the body, which is very slippy. But yeah, hopefully we can catch a couple of waves, see what we can do. But even though there's not that many waves today, it's still amazing just to sit out here, catch some sunshine, relax, chill out in the ocean with the Boysies. But there's a couple of little ones coming through, so hopefully we can get the boys standing up. But Jock's first time surfing, so it's fun nonetheless. Look what we found. Little Sam's made the cut. Finally, he's in a vlog. Supposed to come down last night, but he was too lazy sleeping. But he's here now, so hopefully we can catch a wave together for old time's sake. Super successful little session in the end. Jock caught his first wave.
Oh yeah.
How was it?
Was fantastic.
Absolutely fantastic. Now we've got the best part, which is the walk all the way back up the steps. We're going to check out the room and then we're going to head to another beach. Check that out this afternoon. See you guys in a bit. So we're just driving along to the next place and we somehow end up getting right stuck in the middle of a kite festival. Yeah, check this out. They had to lift up the kite so we could drive underneath the wire, and we somehow lost Jock in there. Hopefully he's coming now.
There he is.
You gonna stay look at the kites?
They got caught in my scooter.
No way.
Yeah. They had to cut it out.
Alright, next stop on the tour, we just had a delicious little lunch at a little local warong, one of my favourite spots. Now we are at Balangan, which is a little surfing break, but there's an absolutely beautiful viewing point up here that not that many people know about, so it's nice and quiet. And yeah, let's have a little look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. How good is this spot? Right on the edge of the world. This is absolutely awesome. We're gonna get the drone flying up. Hopefully it's an incredible shot. You're gonna see it in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we are back home in Canggu, back at the villa. Jumped straight in the pool because I'm burnt to a crisp after this morning, but absolutely amazing weekend. Thanks for coming on the ride with us. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We've got more weekends like this coming up very soon, so if you did enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe for the next one. Hit the like button, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon.